Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use the posting functions. Specifically, the personal post feature in MKT Software. First, in the main interface of MKT, click on Posting Functions and choose Personal Post. The first step is to select the account category that you want to post. For example, here I choose this account. In the Personal Post configuration, under General Settings, you can set the spacing between two actions. Usually, we set it from 15 to 20 seconds. You can shorten or extend it if needed. For Switch Account on Consecutive Errors, we usually set it to 10 times. In the Content configuration, you can use Available Content. This means choosing content from the content management that was saved before. You can apply content to all accounts by clicking General Content Configuration. Then select the content, like this. Or you can choose different content for each account by configuring content individually. Next, in the Post configuration, you can set how many posts each account will publish per run. For example, I want to post 2 posts, so I set it to 2. The wait time after a successful post is usually set from 10 to 15 seconds. If you want all accounts to post the same content, enable Allow Duplicate Posts between accounts. Otherwise, disable it. You can also add hashtags by clicking Add Hashtag and entering them here. You can tag users by entering their usernames and enable automatic interactions such as likes or comments. You can choose interaction content here, for example, a short comment, and then press Save and click Start to begin posting. The Chrome browser will open, and the software will automatically post the content. You can see the posting process happening automatically. The content will be posted to the selected account. After the post is completed successfully, the software will save the post link, and you can view it in the Post History section. That's how we use the Personal Post function in MKT Software. I hope you enjoy the video and see you in our next video. Goodbye.